In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this Nissan Altima with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's located on the driver's side of your engine compartment, so if you need this or any other part, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. Looking underneath the hood, you'll see the air box right there behind the battery. And to access the air filter, there are several clips that we have to undo around the air box, these metal ones that will release the top cover from the bottom half. There's one more back here that's kind of tucked away. Once you unclip all of those, the mass airflow sensor harness is connected, although you do not have to disconnect it or unclip it from the air box cover, because all we need to do is lift it up like this and take the air filter and slide it right out. As you can see, this one's quite dirty, so definitely time for a replacement. When you put the new air filter in, notice that it has a rubber gasket along the edge, and this old one is a great example of what to pay attention to because right here, the person that installed it last pinched the gasket and it has come undone from the air filter, and this would actually cause debris to go through and into the engine. So lift up this cover. If there's a lot of debris down there, clean it with a vacuum cleaner, install the new air filter, and make sure that it is seated in position. You can only install it one way because it has that long plastic area down there. So once it's seated like this, make sure it's completely flat and slide the top of the air box right back down. You'll know that it's seated correctly when you feel that it is not moving around and that it's bottomed out completely. And if you can clip these clips on very easily, you know it's done right. If you have to pry on them or force them, the top is not seated correctly, and that means it's higher up than it should be. At this point, the air filter is replaced, so job is done. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you have anything to add, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to check us out at 1A Auto for any car parts that you might need. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.